Welcome back, everybody. I'm Crystal, Real Nester, as you'll see at Real Nesters. And today, I'm welcoming you guys back. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, you know we like to bring you the latest cool products or share with you guys our little mini Christmases, as I like to call it, when we order products. And then here on this channel, the Thomas family, we reviewed them for you. And if you'd like to also check out our James and Crystal channel.
Hey, what's up, you guys? This is James, one half of the dynamic duo, The Real Nesters, coming back with you with a progress video on the AquaOasis Humidifier. I know my wife did the initial review on April the 3rd, so it's a little over a month ago that we had been using it, and I'm gladly to report that we still love it. It's great. It's doing a great job. Oh man, because if you guys don't know, I don't know what it's called. Maybe you guys can leave a comment in the video below. Well, every time I wake up in the morning, you know, my throat or something, I have to do like this, like I like to, you know, I used to have to do that basically almost every morning. I'll do that for about, baby, you know, almost 5 minutes to 10 minutes sometimes, you know, trying to clear my throat. But ever since I've been using, you know, the AquaOasis here, you know, it's changed, because I don't get it every morning now, and if I do get it, it's probably only about, you know, maybe 3 minutes. Not as bad as it used to be. And this has just been a month of using the AquaOasis, so this is definitely worth the money. It definitely works. It definitely gets the job done. And what we've been doing is that you have to elevate this thing a little bit off the ground. So what we did, we elevated it off the ground a little bit. We put it in our bedroom, and almost every night we run it in the bedroom. And what we do is we run it with, you know, our fan. You know, we turn the fan on so it'll circulate more. Just remember that, you know, when you do run it, like, you know, I'm gonna turn it on now. When you do run it, because we leave it on all night long. You see how much water is in there? This will last probably 6 to 7 hours. Make sure you guys check out the video she did. I'm going to put the link for that right up here. She did a review on it, an unboxing on it. And I'm going to go over just some maintenance on the machine, so you can do some maintenance so you can keep your thing running well, just like brand new. So this is basically what you want to do. As far as maintenance, you guys, what I found out is that, let me take this off and show you. You see how right inside there, if you can see, let me get the light right. You see how right inside there you get the little, I guess like a swimming pool, you get the little algae and stuff, the greenish part right there over time. So what you want to do, and see, even right here, if you can see that, even right there, you see how it turns green. So what you want to do, after you start seeing that come in, is you want to get yourself some alcohol. Get yourself some alcohol. And what you do is, let me make sure, I think I got my lighting on jack, but I'm going to try to get you the best lighting I can. But what you want to do, of course you take that off, but get you a little bit of alcohol. And right in this area, just put you some alcohol there. Put some alcohol in there to clean that off. Make sure you got some hot water, and you get yourself a sponge. So you just want to get down in there, and then the alcohol will kind of get that off. Alcohol is not going to hurt you, because alcohol cleans and then it evaporates real quick. So get you like a sponge, and you see right here, see how it gets down into that too? So you take, that's all, that's the top of it. You take that off and do the same thing. Get you some alcohol. I'm gonna put this on the side. Same thing right here. Get you some alcohol. You put the alcohol on there for a little bit. And see the alcohol, I start to do that. And see how I clean that off? That alcohol just cleans that, and then you'll notice it's right in there too. See how it's in there? Get your little alcohol, same thing, squirt it in there, and just use something that you can get down in there, and then you'll see you start to clean that off. Alcohol and hot water, and you rinse that out. That'll start to clean all that out right there. So that's the maintenance you want to do on it right there, to kind of get all that out of there. Alcohol cleans. You don't really want to use anything else. To get you some alcohol in there. I'm doing it kind of fast. You might want to just let it, you know, be on there for a little bit before you start rubbing it. But get your alcohol on there. Then once you finish all your alcohol, you just want to clean it out. Come back over here. That's getting clean too. I'm gonna do this one more time. I probably, let's see, we've had it, you know, a couple of months now. So what I want to do, you probably want to do it maybe, I would say check it once a month and see what it is. Depends on how much you use it too. We almost use this every night. So now see, once that's clean, you give it another little quick rinse in around. You put your top back on there, as so. And now you can fill it up. And what I do, if you're looking, you'll see. Fill it up. And what I do is I usually go to, you see where it says aqua? Because some of it goes down into the reservoir. So about right there I fill it up. I put the top on it. Turn that off. So now we're just going to sit this on the side here for now. And then I'm going to show you this. Same thing. You see how you got the little greens in there? Same thing you want to do, just use a little bit of alcohol right there. Just move it around a little bit. Get your sponge. Dip your sponge in the alcohol. And see, you get all that little, it's like a swimming pool, you know, where the swimming pools get like the algae and they have to use the filters and stuff. But of course, you know, you don't want to use chlorine, you know, like a pool. Just use alcohol. Just use alcohol in it. Clean that all around. Get a little rinse, like so. When you guys clean it out, and when you run water, make sure you don't run water into this part. It's okay to get this part wet down here, but make sure you don't run water into this part right here. Make sure water don't get in, because that'll go right down, you know, to your motor. Now you're back ready to rock. Then you just grab your other side, as so. Let me flip it around. And then you put that on top, and boom, and you see like a little bit goes into the reservoir. So you see how you lose a little bit. So that's why I overfill it, because you're going to lose a little bit. But this right here will last all night long. This right here lasts about 6-7 hours, just like that. And that's how I fill it up. But overall, you guys, this thing has been great. I love it. I love it. Also, you guys, what we're going to try to do, we're going to look around, see if we can find any more humidifiers that may be better than the one we got. Because I know some people like the tall ones, you know, the different times. So we're going to look around. So you might see another video on more humidifiers, and we can see, can we beat this one? I doubt it. This one is really good, but we're going to see, because we only use this in the bedroom, so we actually do need another one to have downstairs in the living room. So we're going to see whether we want to buy a second one of these, or is there anything else out there that's better. So we're going to let you guys know on that.
Down below, for those of you who've already have this, let us know how you like it, how long you've had it, if you had any issues cleaning it and all that kind of stuff. And for those of you who have the one with the essential oils, comment down below, because I might need to get another one. Anyway, don't forget to give me some thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to this video. And also, the link for this item, as always, is down in the comments. Thank you guys. Don't forget to subscribe.